purpose: to save the world.
Greetings and welcome back to my channel after a good 5 months now. This will be more of an announcement than the tutorial type. There's a reason behind the delay, so I've been very busy making this game for Spanish band Crisix. And yeah, maybe let's just dive into the gameplay and we'll see what's going on. So, it's happening in Barcelona, and the band just wanted a game where you race through the city and kill zombies with pizzas. The reason for it is they released EP and 4 videos for it. Their guitarist had a job 10 years ago delivering pizzas through Barcelona, and all of their iconic stuff revolve around zombies in general. So yeah, we made this game. I also spent my summer vacation in Barcelona, and I got some good sense of how the city is constructed, and I tried to incorporate this in the graphic design. So how does this relate to Blender? Well, of course, all the graphics were prepared in Blender. The buildings that you see in the background all started out as 3D. And I used Blender Grease Pencil lineart modifier to make outlines and color them as a regular Grease Pencil object. So yeah, about the gameplay, you collect pizzas and you throw them at zombies. You collect also some power-ups like this. And occasionally you will see they produce animations. So, like this one now, when you reach half of the gameplay. Yeah. And you supercharge your pizza by holding down fire button, so you can kill the zombie in one strike. Okay, let's maybe try to have another animation display. Yeah, by the way, this game is available for Android and web for now. You might be thinking, why no Apple, why no iOS? Oh, here it is. The reason behind this, Apple has to be the most evil, anti-democratic company out there, and they just insist that you use their hardware, or else you cannot export for iPhones. So yeah, I had to ask a friend with MacBook to export this for me, and it will just take some time because whole thing with certificate it just takes insane amount of time. Like this, and yeah, we got listed, right? Okay, so let's maybe just check out. Oh, here you can, if you get listed in the hierarchical, you can knock here, and you will have a link to a special video the band prepared. Here are the instructions. You can click through. So these are collectibles, and you can shoot at those hot sauces to explode, and there is also a link to those products. These Crisix bands, they are incredibly hardworking, and just look at this product page. They also ship beers, they made a cooking book, and so on. So yeah, check them out. Let's maybe now just click through the content, so you will see how things were created in Blender. The last scene that you saw. Yeah, you plow through a zombie like this, and it's actually a flat 2D object. Okay, the intro screen is completely 3D, like this, and again I use lineart modifier to draw out the lines, except this guy here, it's drawn. Okay, then we have the cockpit, and this is how I created the level. So let's check out maybe this building. The inspiration, like I said, came from my visit of Barcelona. Me and my girlfriend were staying at this Ona hotel, which is here in this area, and yeah, those buildings that we had in view all the time were inspiration for creating this. So you will also remember these ones from the game. And here is the iconic Plaza de España. Oh, sorry, Catalonia. With this behind. Then always in the background we have the Tibidabo mountain and of course Sagrada Familia. And then once you drive past that, there is the Phallus Tower. I don't know how it's called. Yeah, and I just outlined some more of those high buildings that make up the skyline. Right, I initially thought of this thing as a weekend project, but yeah, it took a whole 5 months, and the reason for this is also when you try to publish on Google, you get questions like this: does the game contain any content that can substantially erode the national identity of Republic of Korea? Jesus. So yeah, there is a lot of bureau shit that you need to click through, and there is the whole review process and so on. So yeah, the links will be down in the description. The game is for free, and of course try it, and if you like it, I recommend it to the friend. And I'll see you in another tutorial. Bye.